The Nokia 7 Plus is the only smartphone in HMD Global's range right now to offer an 18:9 display ratio. It has a striking 6-inch display with a resolution of 2160x1080 in the mold of contemporary designs. Furthermore, it's one of the few smartphones in India with a Snapdragon 660 SoC. According to Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 660 SoC is built to support features like on-device artificial intelligence, advanced photography, and more importantly, enhanced gaming. Along with this, the Nokia 7 Plus is paired with 4 GB of RAM and a generous 3800 mAh battery. Is it any good for gaming on the go? We'll find out. For this, we picked our favorite games with an emphasis on great visuals. These include Battle Royale shooter PUBG Mobile, arcade-inspired Asphalt 8, Dota 2 clone Arena of Valor, and futuristic racer Breakneck. This time around, GTA San Andreas isn't being considered due to compatibility issues we faced in the past, thanks to GTA creator Rockstar not bothering to update it since 2015. Also missing are the likes of Subway Surfer and Candy Crush Saga, because most handsets can run these games just fine. Our first game was PUBG Mobile. Developed by Tencent instead of PUBG Call, it's quickly gaining recognition as one of the smoother smartphone experiences around. On the 18:9 display of the Nokia 7 Plus, it looked great, defaulting to medium preset. Details such as weapon models, grass, and explosions look good. It maintained a solid frame rate even in hectic scenarios like running from an aerial bombardment. Dropping it to the low preset gave us a slight bump in frame rate, but we prefer the sharper presentation of medium. Turning it up to high resulted in minor stutter and unresponsiveness that quickly made us switch back to medium despite the better graphics. Next up was Asphalt 8. The popular racing game from Gameloft launched with the highest graphics preset at default. There's a good amount of detail present thanks to liberal use of god rays, snow and rain. Asphalt 8 tends to be one of the better optimized games around, but here performance was mixed. The sunny Nevada track looked great and ran fluid, but Asphalt 8's rainy take on Tokyo had noticeable instances of slowdown despite being a treat to look at. This, however, was changed when we were playing it at the medium graphics option, where it was smooth to play. Other tracks like Iceland and London ran fine though, so this could be an issue specific to the Tokyo level. After this, we tried Breakneck. This is a futuristic racer similar to Nintendo's F-Zero or Sony's Wipeout games. It defaulted to the highest preset and looked fantastic thanks to slick effects and rocket-like speed. And while the gameplay was silky smooth as well as looking sharp, Breakneck gave us cause for concern due to how warm the Nokia 7 Plus got. The 6000 series aluminum with its ceramic feel coating felt toasty while far from the melting point. Pushing Breakneck down to medium resolved this concern, though at an obvious loss of visual fidelity. The last game we checked out was Arena of Valor. It's the mobile equivalent of Dota 2 or League of Legends, with an emphasis on quick responses, and it's one of the few smartphone games we've played with a frame rate counter. With the highest preset and the high frame rate mode enabled, we averaged around 56 to 57 frames per second and dropping around 53 frames per second in the most demanding moments with multiple enemies on screen. So is the Nokia 7 Plus good for Android gaming? Well, from the games we checked out, it's a respectable option if you can tolerate the smooth back that makes it tough to grip over extended sessions of play. It's a minor quibble, but a perceptible one nonetheless. This aside, the combination of an efficient processor and a solid screen is a welcome one. That being said, it will be interesting to see how it stacks up in the future with the likes of Fortnite on the horizon. Right now though, if you're planning to check out Nokia's latest and greatest, and you're an avid gamer on the go, the Nokia 7 Plus should suffice. Do stay tuned to Gadget 360 for a comprehensive review of the Nokia 7 Plus's overall capabilities. Thanks for watching this video and check out Gadget 360 for all the latest things in tech and gaming.